How everyone. This experiment will show how a laser dioide working and interact with the smoke and salty water. So we need some apparatus. So first we need a plastic bottle having a bottom side just like look at this, and the upper side will have some holes, and you can use any type of plastic bottle because the plastic bottle is the medium of to controlling water as well as smoke. So I use a simple water bottle. Now we need to create a smoke. So as smoking we need some sort of essence, and this is just some sort of smoking sauce. So let's first ignite this type of sauce and the smokes will be created. So you will see how this is working, and our smoke just like a medium sauce. So I just cover up with a plastic bottle, and a plastic bottle will used as a smoke medium, and this will don't expand any smoke too much, and this will be create a medium of of sauce and smoke. So smoke will be just look like that, and you also see there are some sort of type of smoke. And let's make ignite and turn on the laser dioide. Now I connected a laser with a 9 volt battery, and you can use a 3.7 volt battery, and our laser dioide just look like that. You will see how our laser dioide interact with a medium dense type of smoke, but the high density smoke is to scatter the laser dioide, and this experiment will showing the scattering of light when it interact with the smoke and fog. So it was say I'll also experiment this is also affect and the scientific effect later in the environment when in the sunny day or rainy day or in the fog season. So this will experiment. So how a laser light interact with the smoke and how this is scattering. So this experiment then, as you can see how a laser light having a straight line, but laser light having straight line depend on what type of wavelength of your laser. So I have minimum a 20 nanometer laser dioide, so this will be perfect for experiment. You can use any type of laser, any type of color, and some other type of LED laser dioide. Okay, now I need to put some water into bottle. Let's fill some water into the bottle, and the rest of the smoke will out of the bottle of the top of the mouth. So this will be some type of experiment, some type of phenomena when liquid gets and salt. So this type of scientific term, and you will also have explained why. Okay, now we need to add some cover, add some lid on the top of water. Now I just from previous experiment make some hole, and also to connect a laser dioide on top of the bottle. But there are some different kind of phenomena occur. Why the top of the light is too dense, but into water this will be some sort of blur light, and it's not perfectly visible. If I turn on the light, this effect will be hide out. So that's why I switch off the light, and this will be also act as a Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect is a scientific effect when the light is light wavelength. When the wavelength interact with a particle which visible in the air, present in the air, smoke, or water. So this light act like a wave and particle. So that's why this experiment will be happen, and the next time I will make some interesting video. So this will happen. So you can see now the laser light is not visible. So this is it, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video and don't forget to press the bell icon. So thanks for joining with us. Goodbye.